Okay, this is your quiz review 8486. Show all work. Number 1, ABCD is a rectangle, AC is 72, and BE is 2x minus 8. Well, AC is 72, so this distance is 72. It usually doesn't do us any good to use the whole thing, so I'm going to cut that in half and make that 36 on this side, and 36 on this side. And we're told that BE is equal to 2x minus 8. 2x minus 8. Now we know in a rectangle that all of these parts of the diagonals are congruent, so we can just do 2x minus 8, set that equal to 36. We'll add 8 to both sides. 2x equals 44, divided by 2, x equals 22, so x equals 22 right there. That's number 1. Number 2, we also have another rectangle. This time we're told that angle 3 is equal to 47, and we need to find the other missing angles. Okay, so over here we'll put 47. Alright, that's small. Okay, now we know that in a rectangle, since it's a parallelogram, opposite alternate interior angles are equal, so 47 is going to go up here. And we also know that these angles are equal to each other, so I can put 47 down here. And if I add 47 plus 47, that gives me 94. If I subtract that from 180, that gives me 86. So 5 is 86. And I know that this whole angle down here is a right angle. So if I do 90 minus 47, that gives me 43 for angle 2. And I know this is the same. So now I have all of my measures. So now let's see what that asks us for. We want BAD. BAD, if we follow that all the way around there, that's going to be this whole angle, which is 90 degrees. Number 3 is CBD. So CBD, we're looking for this angle up here. And we know, since this is a parallelogram, that this is going to be equal to this one down here, so we can just put 43 right there. BEC, BEC is this angle up here, and we know that these two add up to 180, so if I do 180 minus 86, that gives me 94 for BEC. Angle 1 is down here, and we already found that, 43. Number 6 is, angle 2 is also 43. Angle 3 is 47. Angle 8 is, number 8 is angle 4, which is 47. And 9 is angle 5, which is 86. And that's 2 through 9. Number 10, for rhombus WXYZ, WX equals 30 and XY equals negative 2x plus 18, find x. Alright, rhombus, WX equals 30. Here's WX, 30 is up here. We know that all of the sides are the same, and they give us XY as negative 2x plus 18. So I'll set those equal to each other. 30 equals negative 2x plus 18. I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides. So that'll give me 12 equals negative 2x. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, those cancel. I've got x equals negative 6. So x equals negative 6. That's number 10. 11 through 18. I'm also have a rhombus, WXYZ, and they give us angle 2 is 55, so I'll put that up here. Now we learned that in a rhombus, diagonals bisect opposite angles, so if this is 55, angle 1 is going to be 55. We know in the middle we have right angles, so this is 90, and this will be 90 over here, and we know that all three of these add up to 180, so if I do 55 plus 90, that gives me 145, and 180 minus 145 is 35, so 35 is going to go right here. And if these are bisected, angle 5 is also going to be 35. Let's see, I can put a 55 here, 55 here, 35 here, and a 35 here. Alright, let's see what they're asking us for. ZWX. ZWX is this whole angle here, and that's going to be 1 plus 2, which is 110 degrees. ZXY. ZXY, if I follow that, I'm just outlining this angle, and that's 35 degrees. WZY. WZY is this whole angle down here, so this is 70 degrees. Angle 1 is 55 degrees. Angle 2 is 55 degrees. Angle 3 is 90 degrees. Angle 4 is 90 degrees. And angle 5 is 35 degrees. And that is 11 through 18. 19 through 23, we've got a square. We want to find the missing angles, and we want to find one, and we know that that's a right angle. All of these are right angles in the middle, so we're going to make that 90. I'm just going to put it over here. Okay, and we know that on this corner here, this is a 90-degree angle, and these are cut in half. So this is going to be 45, and this is going to be 45. And we can put 45 over here. And all these outside angles are going to be 45, so let's look and see what we got. BCD. BCD is the whole angle, which is 90 degrees. DBC. DBC is just half an angle, so that's going to be 45 degrees. Angle 1 is in the middle, and those are all right angles, so that's 90 degrees. Angle 2 is over here, that's 45 degrees. And angle 3 is also 45 degrees, and that is all of those. Then we have a trapezoid. It's an isosceles trapezoid right here. Since we know these angles are, or the sides are congruent, we know these angles are congruent to each other, so we know right away that angle 2 is going to be 85. And we know that these angles between the parallel lines, or consecutive interior angles, are going to add up to 180, so we're just going to do 180. Minus 85 is 95. And that is the end of quiz review 8486.